Video game streamer and ngayon ginagawa ko itong business full time and
Wow!
yung kinita ko for 1 month is 54,000.
Grabe yan!
Si Menes, an auditor by profession. And doing this business part-time. And kinita ko po for the week is 16,740.
My name is Harvey Trinidad, corporate government employee. And my 1 week income is 22,000.
My name is Mark Soneto, isang seaman, and kumita ako in just 1 week sa pag-dropshipping ng almost 18,000. Thank you, Jello, and thank you.
Former bank teller, and ang 2 weeks income ko, 47,000.
Grabe!
I have a full-time work po as a graphic designer so sobra ako nag-bless no, sa community, sa Realista kasi kahit busy-busy, kaya po gawin yung business no, sa ating Polo community trainings natin. With all humility, 1 month income po. Thank you Lord! 177,000.
By the way, I'm J. Mark Busca, businessman and operator. Ako yung kunikwento lagi na nag-start, yes, opo, na nag-start na nagbenta ng pusa and until now, super grateful. Kaya ang income ko po is 208,000.